Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove digital signature in PDF. It's very simple and quick, and most of all, for free. To start off, we're not gonna use PDF file opener like Adobe Acrobat or sites from the internet. They ain't no good because you need to sign up for a trial use and it's annoying. To remove signature for free, all we need to do is to have a Canva account, a free Canva account without trial or pro subscription. So the Canva I'm using is not subscribed to a pro feature. So let's move on. In the home page, click the create button. Then click the upload button and browse your PDF file. After that, just click the signature and its elements and just click the delete button until the signature is gone. And after you're done, just click the share button and download. Then choose the PDF file format and hit download. To check that the signature is gone, click the downloaded file, and that's it. It's very easy and quick. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.